Chumurigereria on DZTV and nenga kengi yangu kwaregania asemesa ya mangana maya chinsani komiche mano magoroba litkonelia Jumapili chitariki ne merongo ibere omutinyo kabere omwaka wechiri wibere na merongo ibere nebere ni areganire kuruga igase studio egeren komanya senchera yobwenge korende naboko gendera gutubwatia gwetera senchera ye mitandao DZTV News asenchera ya Facebook DZTV News asenchera ya YouTube ngoira nande asegekeke kirobosyo egeren kumanyinga nararia ya gose na kwareganirie nje ni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarange ontita ababwatani korwase kiama kia UDA assets kisi batuguteirare amangana buna ekiamekyo nigo kigenderete kungusana na maberera matindi asege siasa kwenekigwa gukwana negetaseni kya DZTV oyo koliekerego kyobo MCA korwase wodi yabo Kimonge aselieta Dismas Ondara nigatebiro buna ekiamekyo kya UDA nigo kigenderete utene na boikerano
Samangana gendrete bono ganga UDA ose ya sambara tikire ose ngetimu y'abantu bari barwetoro most recently nga umushimi wa honorable Kibagendi ngana rwete sekiama kya UDA akanganya kurubororo ese njunga ryo manandiri keri atoro ndeto de abantu baito gente keri bonga Kibagendi onganyira ku UDA egenta kortene break abegete break ese njuri birandi engoro na botambe kerto bwatenga kya nominations kera chichi kobera range liberango ndiri kuchiriacha asengi y'abantu bakutaka ku airline we position na chikora chiko cha wapo cha nominations andaka abantu abakudiva ase birengera ryo njera mo saibere lakini ndate ku clarify abantu baito UDA supporters Kisii County engima kwa jumla na Kenya indunto bwa tirangos ase party na magega y'umurobelyo OCBC gochaka ase kalenda ya masomo ya borokiwa bono nigo borokiwa bange beso kire na korokia ebyego byabo omwana Peter korwa sensemo ya Kegogi egotoka se county ya Kisii nigagendrete korosia ebinte binge buna chinyomba chindege amo ne chigari tigatoro roboti uru asenchera yoboikerano
Serikali yankone ngandara korosie bintu enge bintu binde bina koroselie bintu binde bia na masomo bangonya some kabisa nje bible bana mbali kwena mbabo bintu tali kwena egera ni korosie tura kitomne mwara ndosati ne jinyombe
akingo tebana gaki mwari gwanja serikali enkonye ro mwana oyo ekerta to mwabere tinanyarite gokonya
serikali nale gwanja mongonye umwana ne talenti yabwate ase gakimo ali gwanja momondolera mabira momokonye egere nonye na eyo gutaka gongonya na bagwanja gongonya egera agende ne talenti yae
CPC ne program engi ya mono egekora ngotebanga ne program engi ya nabokonyora abana bande bali class ime batali konyara nonya na masoma ya yegetabu lakini gakorosie gento gwakumia buna bono Peter sabwara gwakere nonya ne chinyombe chichia yarosetia nkagerete na bagete sabu entindi orakamanya guchirosia CPC nkoero omwana obongo otumeka obongo bwaye orosie gento nekera arosiri tali kweba bono
no mawaziri bwechisemi Professor George Magoha nigobona segetre chiskuru chonsi che serikali echichire cyoboroso na chiri cy'abantu nyene bagendera kwene kyabuno morobelyo CBC ngoikira nore asokorosia ebirasi vya junior secondary school Magoha nigaya kwanetaya litkuligoro chingake ikiranete ase skuru ya Mangu egotoka imeya Juja chingaki achiete kwigora ebirasi bibere vya CBC Magoha nigoboigo atebetebuna county ya Garissa usechi county kora chinsemo cha North Eastern na jichitangaine aso wikira ni morobelyo CBC nonya nabo county ya Kisii aso rongo rwa Nyanza nero tetigire magega ase watekerengo kemeronge 53 aso wikira ni morobelyo OCBC.
It's now time for private secondary schools in the country who intend to partake in the junior secondary schools to also budget and build their own classrooms. That if there are primary schools, private primary schools, which would want standalone junior secondary schools, we want to encourage them to work with us and build junior secondary schools there. But globally, when you talk of counties, the top county is Garissa, which is now at 99%. The second one is Mandera, which is at 94%, and I'm extremely delighted and happy about that. The third one is Wajir, which is at about 90%. So you can see how very serious the northern counties have taken this issue. Then you come down to Meru, which is just in the mountain here. We are extremely happy that Meru is at 87% and doing extremely well. And then most of the counties in Nyanza are at over 80%. The larger Nyanza region, that's Nyamira, Kisii, Kisumu, my own county, and
Chinga kiechecho mwancho moligerelia nigo mawaziri Magoha ayana kirebuna matemwa manene a KCPE na matemwa ya KCSE agocha gocha kachitariki sano na ibere omotie nyogocha nigo baigo arurege kurege tindi gochia saba alimu aborokia amana baiboli bali baratoke bakuiba amatemwa ngani bagocha kuimukeliwa egetambukerege tindi kelichiko.
Throughout the nation that the examination has been set by our excellent teachers across the nation. The examination has taken into account the fact that the children were out of school for a while and they have had a short term. I have said many times that the examination is practical oriented, applied oriented in all capacities, and I think that the children are aware they should apply their knowledge, not just reading, and that until we open the first container, nobody will have seen that exam. Even if somebody was to open it, the impact is actually to destroy the children. We have got everything that is required. So if you dare to open the exam, government is going to ensure that exams going to those areas are thoroughly secured and students are secure as they take their exams. If a situation arises which requires that students should be shifted from one place to another, the government will be there to do that.
No murai wense omoske Uhuru Kenyatta niga tumira magombo uchiase amate ya Nyagosira Alfred Gesuka Machage oyosire tobogima bwaye abwigoro asenka yaye ime ya Nigeria. Machage oyolenge omojumbe okuria ase chintunda ibere omo seneta omigori no mowaziri omokoro nigegotebekana asirete egekegeke magega yokonyore ndagira ya mubaso. Murai wense niga motogire Machage no murai bwanchete ense ya Kenya amo na magenderero. Machage nigo achore tukobo mo commissioner monene imense ya Nigeria no murai bwense omwaka wechiri wibere na 13 asa kolire meremo ase chinsemo cha West Africa na Central Africa. Nigo toko sabera amate ya Nyagosira omorembe chinga kechiga chobokendu obonene. No muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigate birabuna nache wikirania maganio yaba Kenya chinga kiarabo murayo gatano bwense ya Kenya nigate birabuna chinse chinde omorobelio Social Protection Program nigogendererete asate bire nache koyoenekia akerara ire abisi Odinga nigaya kwanetaya chinga kiarenge ase county ya Kilifi asensemo ya Coast.
Nataka vijana na yote mwe tayari kwa wanajeshi wa baba. Mko tayari kwa mwanajeshi wa baba mpaka wewe uwe na bunduki na risasi. Bunduki ni kitambulisho, risasi ni kura. Kule India ambayo nimetoka juzi wanafanya hiyo social protection. Wale jamaa ambao hawana mapato wanasaidiwa na serikali. Na mimi nimesema tutaanza hiyo jamii. Kila jamii utapata kila mwezi shilingi 6,000 kutoka kwa serikali.
Sisi tukiingia huko State House na baba si wageni wala tugongi hodi. Tutangia huko tumwambie baba watu wa Bamba wanataka maji na watu wa Mombasa watafanya kazi pamoja na watu wa Bamba ili tupate kuendelea.
Chinga kechecho ababwatani bekiama kia ODM korwase county ya Garissa niko basingerire gotebabuna Raila Odinga ne project yaba Kenya na gotuguterare abarai bali bagendrete kumoroka Odinga ne project ya serikali bakora wana Abdiweli niko batebire buna Odinga na isaine kora aba Kenya abwasara cheko baenekeria amagenderera mange.
Baba is a project of the people. It's not the project of the state. One. From 2013 to 2017, Baba was leading. Where we are now sitting here, Garissa Central, 3 out of the 4 MCAs were ODM. In fact, the only MCA that has slipped out of our way was Iftin, and the margin was less than 20 votes. We can assure now that Baba and Uhuru are together. The election was past 50 or 60%. Now our target is over 80%. And those people who are dreaming that Baba is a project, we want to tell them very clearly that Baba is a project of the people. He is always the people's choice and he shall always remain so. Thank you.
Tuko na changamoto juu ya kuhusu elimu. Walimu wengi wametoroka hapa kwa sababu ya security na Baba ameongea juu ya hiyo. And then mambo ya livestock na agriculture. He has also talked about livestock and agriculture as an affirmative action, and then juu ya insecurity, and then opportunities for our youth. So we feel that we've been well taken care of, and not only Northeastern, the 3 counties of Mandera, Wajir and Garissa.
No mabunge Ogatundu South Omoske Moses Kuria na aliganitugwe igoro sense ya Kenya magega yoko baisiko yense sokonyora obugwenya abarai ao nigo bamwaliganete asegetie kenenegia Thika Stadium abwase bairanirete Nyasaye ngambu ya mono ase okomoleta nonyanabo siasa tetigire magega abwase abarai ao bakora wano murai wiki ama Kianak Kenya Madakarua no mo governor we county ya Kiambu James Nyoro abo batebete buna siasa nagendererete Sorogongo rwa Central Kenya ayaiga naro akorekanete aseritiko liigoro
kwa sababu kuna watu wengine walikuwa wanafikiria ili mkutano wa siasa watu wote wa UDA wakafanya mkutano wakaambiwa wasikuje. It is only the Legal Affairs Secretary of UDA, my good friend Wakili Edward Muleu, who was chosen. Kama utafukuzwa UDA niko na chatikiti.
Chama ya UDA inakupenda kwa sababu wewe ndiye baba ya hiyo chama, na nikueleze ya kwamba nimetumwa nikuambie ni wakati wa kutengeneza urafiki, si wakati wa uadui.
Watu wetu, ujue unaweza kumchagua yeyote unamtaka kama rais bila kuingia kwa chama yake.
Ngaba bwatani ba UDA mbanyare tko bagwikira na somo sangerekano yo korengana na kuria yo tebetebuna nigo banyare tko bagukani wakorende ayona ya siasa anda yo na yebiro nara yona kwareganiretie asensa yabono kurinde tomo cha kumirana noyo Minto Vincent Onyancha yekoragense mo yabono mogoroba ni chinsa isato egera komanye ayo amona yanda mange igekio gokora no kobase TV yao na inde to baisa gusuka morobelio gandreta sembeo neke mbuga mbu kio bateri igonkuira na barase keke kerobosyo tonyara ko bakogosuka kwirana ngambi ya mono gochia se producer ane Omosai Jaimo asokwene kyabona chibicha Mariogi aikero mancho moligereria asenchera yobuororo na inche na gosomera mangana yaiga nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu, bwomo.